All right, guys, I am back. It is so cold. It is the epitome of a fall day. I literally have on the biggest sweatshirt or sweater, I guess, that I can find. Anyways, so I'm gonna hop on here really quick. I'm hoping this is going to be a very short video. What I am trying to do is I am trying to figure out how to remix some leftovers in my fridge. So right now, I have defrosting a half a can of pumpkin, and as you all know, I've been on a pie kick. I have a ton of extra pie crust from last week, so I thought it would be fun to try to make almost like a pumpkin cream cheese puff pastry kind of situation. We'll see how this works. So basically I'm going to make a traditional pie filling. So I have also leftovers in my fridge, some sweetened condensed milk. So I'm gonna put that with the half can of pumpkin. I have an egg really quickly, and then I have a ton of fall spices. So cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, ginger, vanilla. Oh, not vanilla for this. If I find anything else that's like a aromatic fall type of spice, to be honest with you, I'll probably put it in this filling. Whip it up really quickly, and then in my second bowl here, I am going to do just cream cheese. Again, leftover cream cheese. Some vanilla and powdered sugar. I'm gonna whip it up. I'm gonna roll out this pie crust really quickly. I'm gonna put both of the fillings inside of the pie crust, so it's like pumpkin cheesecake filling type thing. I'm going to bake it, and then I haven't decided yet if I want to put sugar on the crust and call it a day, or if I want to do a glaze. I'm leaning towards just doing a glaze on the pastries and calling it a day. So I'm hoping this can make two. I'm not trying to make like a ton of pastries. I've been eating a lot of sweets, so I'm trying to actually eat a little bit healthier. So I'm just trying to get rid of what's in my fridge right now. So we'll see how this goes, and we'll just call it a day. So I'll just fast forward through this and let you guys watch me figure this out. Things never go in my favor, so this mixture, it's a little too runny to put in a puff pastry right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some cornstarch in the mixture, and I'm going to pre-cook it on the oven so it can thicken up. And then in the meantime, I'm going to continue on my cream cheese filling, which should be fairly easy, and I'll roll out the pastries in the meantime. So let's hope that this works. Okay, I'm back. That actually worked really well. So here is pre-cooked. It's not fully cooked. Pie filling tastes actually really good. I was able to try it just because the cornstarch and the eggs act as a binder. So I cooked through the eggs really quickly and got rid of some of the excess liquid. So you can kind of see the seam. I'm gonna put this to the side behind me to cool. Here I have my cream cheese mixture. It's gonna add an extra layer of creaminess. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna quickly roll out these pie crusts. Hopefully by the time I roll it out, this is cooled. It's not gonna be completely cooled, but at least some. And then I will fill these pastries and go from there. Okay guys, I thought about it and I don't want to work too hard right now. I think if I can, I'm going to try to make this one long pastry, and I'll just cut slices throughout the week and eat from it. I just don't feel like dealing with cutting and dealing with like dough already melting. I don't have the patience. I want this to be quick and easy, just to get rid of leftovers. I'm not trying to do the most right now, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Right now it's almost like a circle, So I think I'm going to just fill the center with pumpkin filling, with cream cheese filling, cut the sides, do a bow, maybe a crisscross if I can, and call it a day. The shape is kind of awkward, so we'll see what I can do here. Okay, y'all, my braid is done. I'm gonna put an egg wash. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I am going to put an egg wash on this, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven at 350 for, I'm gonna say this will probably take about 15-20 minutes, but honestly I'll keep it until it's golden brown. Anyways, catch you on the flip side. Whew. Okay, everybody, I'm back and my pastry is out of the oven and it is mostly cooled. I hope you can see it. It's the cutest little braid ever. Okay, so to finish this off, and it smells so good. To finish this off, I decided that it'd probably be best to do a quick glaze and to top it off with just a little bit of flaky sea salt. So I have my confectioner sugar over here. I have my half and half. You can do confectioner sugar with milk. You can do confectioner sugar with cream, or half and half. It's half milk, half cream. I always have half and half on hand because I'm a coffee drinker, so that's what I'm gonna use. And then I'm going to add some flaky sea salt. This is my secret ingredients for sweets, just because I feel like the salty sweet play only enhances the flavor. So I'm gonna do that really quickly to top this off. Honestly, after I glaze it, I'm going to let the glaze cool and harden on the actual pastry, and then show you guys the finished result. So let me get to it. All right, ladies and gents, that is it. Here is the final pastry. Yum. All right, I'm not gonna eat it now. I feel like this angle is just not doing it justice. All right, here we go. I'm not gonna eat it now. I am going to let this glaze harden and probably eat it maybe later on today, maybe tomorrow, but nonetheless, this is really to show you that like you can easily make something delicious from leftovers in your fridge and it not actually take all day. This only took a couple hours. I will say I didn't bake for the 15 to 25 minutes I think I originally said. I put it on 350 degrees. It actually ended up baking for about an hour. I just wanted to make sure it cooked through, and I make sure that the crust was actually golden. I think you can cut down the cook time if you just turn up the temperature. I didn't, as we all know. My oven malfunctioned this week, so I've been playing it safe. But nonetheless, it took a lot longer. So with the cook time, I think it took about like an hour and a half to get there. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. It's fairly simple. So have a good one. Fall things to do. And hopefully you can try this out and let me know if you like the recipe. All right, guys, peace.